So this one, if you get under it with a screwdriver way in there and pop it back, then you can work it up. But the trick is, with these, to get as far in as you can, and when you're here, as far in as you can up there, sorry, so that you get the maximum leverage and you're not going to kink it. So that's that. And this one here, if you can get in it with a tool like this, it is kind of press fit in there and you can just kind of work it out. So we'll do that. So I cut the edge even though you don't really need to. If from the back side you start to push out, the windshield will start to lift up and you can take it out that way. Okay, so the windshield is out, and if you pull the gasket back, you can see, maybe you can't see, that there are some screws up in here. Focus on those. And some screws along, and we'll get rid of those. There's also some clips that just kind of pull out. So my mistake, there's 9 or 10 clips that hold this piece in, and then it just slides right out. And this one, if it's like the other one, has, oh see, that's not it at all. Has on either end, I believe, a screw holding it in, and take those out. So these are the smallest screws in the world, and you may need to dig them out with a pick and make sure you get a nice good blade, otherwise you'll be drilling them out. Okay, in the final stretch here, so you got 3 or 4 screws on either side holding this in like that. And then, we already pulled this out. This last piece has 3 or 4 screws in here. But there are these guys too. There's 3 of them. 3 little clips. One there, there, and there. The top one and bottom one have super small screws in them. Middle one, I think the guy said, you know what, it's Friday. So you get rid of those, take off this, and you are done. That's about it. A little bonus round here. If you're taking off the belt molding screws, there's little, let's see if we can actually focus in there. Yeah, so there are screws here. I think there's one in there, 3 and 4. And those, I don't think that you can do it with the glass, even rolled down. So yeah. Got to access the panel and get in there. So that's that. All right, well listen, I hope that was helpful and that you can get it done. Anyway, I got a bunch of this stuff. Let me know what else you need. I have certainly a lot more cars here to get rid of. And there is a 64 coupe that I'm parting out. It has air conditioning, has no AC, and it has posi. So I'm not sure exactly what the ratio is, either 294 or 321. But that's that, and all the parts are in storage for this car and for the 63. Unfortunately, I'm losing this storage area because I had kind of forgotten about these cars, truthfully. And so that's the scoop. Thank you.